Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Big shout out to our notification gang. Thank you so much, Dorothy, for being first in the notification gang. Thank you. In today's video, I'm going to be trying out another headband wig for you guys. This time, however, it's going to be looking like our actual hair texture. This is actually the first that I've seen that looks like an afro. I'll be trying out the headband wig from Victorious Wig. So we're just gonna unbox the wig so we can see what it looks like. So in the box that I got, it came with obviously the wig in a satin bag and a few other headbands that you can choose from. A lot of floral ones, some hollow ones as well. So we're gonna unbox the wig. And the wig came also wrapped up in like another net with some tissue paper just to help it hold its form. So this is what the wig is looking like. So I did actually go ahead and wash this wig briefly before. And the wig color that I got is in color natural. Those of you guys who know, you know that color natural. Those of you who have been following me for a while, you know that the color natural is just a bit lighter than my hair. So if you do have a similar hair texture to mine, it will look exactly like this, just a tad bit lighter than yours. So the wig cap has two clips at the front, as well as the headband portion, which is Velcro. And then it's got another larger clip at the back so that you can secure your wig and that thing will not come flying off. This is how I have done my hair. I've parted my hair in a way so that I can wear the wig. This wig is great for protective styles, or if you're going to work, if you're a nurse, busy, things like that, or you're just not in the mood to take out your protective style, or it's winter and things like that. So it'll just help you in maintaining your hair while also having that natural look. So I'm going to go in and use my olive oil edge control just to lay down the strays of my hair and my baby hairs, and just to do my baby hairs a little bit. Sometimes I do my baby hairs, sometimes I don't. It just depends on how I'm feeling. The good thing about this wig is that it is kinky, so you don't actually need to do this step in doing your edges. You can literally just put the wig on in the morning and you're already going. After I had situated my wig cap, I'm gonna go in and brush out the hair with a pick so that it's looking a little bit more put together and less like it just came out of the box. Then I'm going to situate it onto my head and secure it to make sure that that bad boy doesn't move. This hair is really malleable. It does really whatever you want it to do. It's similar to our hair texture, so it's not going to do anything that it doesn't like, but it will cooperate if it wants to. And then I'm just going to comb the hair to my liking on my head. I really like the texture of the wig. It's something that I think a lot of people would enjoy with kinky, coily or 4C type hair. This is the type of wig that you don't really need to do your edges with and stuff like that, because it's very much like your own hair texture. It ends up looking like if you just put it on. And here's what it looks like when you bunch up the headband that it comes with. So it allows you to have a little bit more space at the front. I mean, guys, this looks exactly like my hair when it's blown out, except with a little bit more volume. I could definitely get away with this one. And this is what it looks like if you wanted to tie it up. Say if you're going to work and stuff like that. Maybe you're going to the gym and you want to, you know, look cute for your trainer or whatever. So let's try another headband out. I'll be trying out this navy headband to match with my outfit. Brush the hair out a little bit more as well. And then this is what it ends up looking like. I think when you put it on with the headband, it really completes the look. It really does end up looking like it's your own sort of hair texture, considering that this mimics our hair texture to the T. So I'm going to take out the crown portion of my head in the center, and I'm just going to brush it out a little bit, and I'm going to sort of feather it at the front of my head. Now, you don't have to wear it like this, but I just wanted to show the versatility in their hair, that you can do a bit of a camouflage thing if you wanted to. So you can use the front portion of your hair, and you can just wear the wig, and then use your hair at the front to sort of cover the headband portion if you wanted to. And this is what it ends up looking like. Really cute, really easy, and this takes less than 5 minutes to do. Overall, this is a great little wig to just pop on and go. You just put it on and you're ready to go wherever it is that you need to go. If you're in a rush, you still want to have your natural hair, a natural look, but you don't want all the hassle and effort of taking out your protective styles and stuff like that. I understand that as team natural, and even not team natural, you sometimes get tired of, you know, all the effort that goes into it. So you can have something like this just to make your life a little bit easier from time to time. So yeah guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys have liked this video. Make sure to comment down below your thoughts and like the video if you like the video, and I will see you guys next week. I love you guys so much. Mwah.